Hello guys, this is ChangeYourLookuk coming to you with another video, another hair tutorial, and this video is going to be all about pick and drop. I did one previously and that one is very nice. I think a lot of people like it, but they want me to do more detailed one, so that's the reason why I'm coming with this pick and drop as well. And I've checked through YouTube and I didn't see anybody do it the way I did it or give more instruction on the way I do it. So I think this is going to be a plus for you guys. If you want a pick and drop and you want a more defined coils on your pick and drop, then you should watch this video to the very end. And it's very beautiful. At the end of the video, you will see how the client rock the hair. It's really very beautiful. The coil pattern is very unique, and I'm going to take you step by step on how I achieve the coils on the hair. All I'm doing right now is just to braid, just to do the braid. What I normally do, I braid it to the stop at where the client's head natural hair ends, so it doesn't, like, the hair doesn't get rough too quickly. So I just end at where the client's hair ends. But if you want me to do a tutorial on how to fold your natural hair when you're braiding, if your hair is very long, please leave it on the comment section below. I'm going to upload the video. And if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button. When you subscribe, you'll be and press the notification bell. You'll be notified whenever I upload any new video. Please, you have to subscribe and give it a thumbs up if you think this video has helped you or you like the video in any way. Please give it a thumbs up and just keep watching. It's a very detailed video. If you don't skip any part of it, you watch it step by step, you should be able to do a nice pick and drop and be able to achieve a very nice defined coils on your pick and drop. So guys, just keep watching. All I'm doing right now is just to braid and stop at the where my client's hair, natural hair, and that's all I'm just doing right now. So just watch carefully. If you don't really know how to braid, you've never braided before, and you want to like have an idea how to do it, please, I'm going to be leaving a link below, so in the description box, so you can watch that video, because on that video I really and explain more better on how to make your braid if you've not done braiding before, you've never braid before. So I think that video is going to help you. I'll leave the link as well for you to like watch. And if you want to see the previous video on the pick and drop that I did, I will also leave the link below for you to like go and watch it and have more idea on how to braid and how to create coils and how to achieve some nice defined coils as well. Please guys, if you've not subscribed, what are you waiting for? You really have to hit the subscribe button. If you think you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. That will really help me to know, like, maybe you guys are liking, you guys love the video and it helps you. So if you don't give it a thumbs up, I won't know. And you have to drop a comment on the comment section if you want me to do anything. If you have any idea of any video on your head that you want me to upload, please leave a comment in the comment section. I'm going to sort it out. And guys, just keep watching, and you're going to understand all the steps and the tricks that I did on it. So keep watching, guys. So all I'm doing right now, after the pick and drop, I just comb the hair, comb it very well to make sure that there's no tangling on it. I use my detangling wig brush to like comb it very well so you won't find any form of tangling on it. That's what I did. And you can see how it looks after combing it. It really looked nice. What you can do is to ask your client to hold it at the front so it doesn't hurt her while you're combing it. And is to the next thing I'm going to be doing is to cut the hair batch by batch so I can roll it. I can actually roll it. So even though I've brushed it previously, I'm still going to brush it when I cut it batch by batch so I don't have any form of tangling on it. So I just cut it and brush it and then roll it into the rollers. And if you want the coils to be more defined while you're rolling it on the rollers, try to like squeeze it a bit. You know that pattern, as if you're making a twist, you just try to squeeze the extension for you to be able to like for you to be able to have more coils. Yeah, for you to be able to have more coils, so you just squeeze it a bit, and then so that it can be more tight and more firmer, and so that the coils can you can have a more defined coils on it, if you understand what I'm saying. And as well, if you want it to be easier for you, just like I gave my client the rollers to help me with it, so you can also give your client the rollers to like help you with the rollers, so you don't have to start bending and picking rollers by yourself when your client can help you on that. So that's all about this. I'm just going to show you how to roll it, how I take it batch by batch. And mind you, when you're trying to take it batch by batch, try to gauge the amount of hair that will go into the rollers, because if you take it too much, it might be too, because this hair is actually into two cut, so it's quite long. So if you take it too much, it might not fit in to the rollers, except you're using a bigger rollers, if you understand what I'm trying to say. Yeah, so you just have to like gauge the amount of extension that will go through the rollers. That's what you're going to use. So that's all I actually did on this part, just to roll it. Guys, keep watching. So you can see how clean and nice the twist is. It's very nice. How I roll it, you can see how beautiful it is. That's what I want you to achieve on it. So the next thing I'm going to be doing now is to put the twist into hot water. And mind you, your water has to be very, very hot, like boiled water, properly boiled water. So while you're using it, if you think the water is getting a bit kind of any form of cold, you just change the water. So what I did is to use the hot water, and the one I still have in the kettle. Before I use it, I try to like reboil it again so it can be very, very hot. So you really need a very hot water. If not, you wouldn't, your coils might not be defined. So you really need a proper hot water to be able to do that. So that's what I did. I just do it session by session, put the air into the hot water, let it soak in very well. Make sure that the water has gone in through the braid before you just bring it out. What I normally do, I don't like using big towel. I just use small towel that is very handy, so I can just squeeze the water out of it after removing the hair from the water, the hot water. I just use the hand towel to just squeeze the water. It's easier for me to work with. That's why I prefer using the hand towel to just squeeze it out um properly. So guys, just keep watching. So what I did next was to like use rubber band to band the hair together. The reason behind that is that when the hair is bind together, you'll see I'll be using styling mousse on the hair. It's easy for me to like concentrate, put the mousse all over the twist, and it will no one will be falling apart or dancing on their own track. So I just have to put them together. You can see how easy it is now for me to apply the styling mousse, so they are already together. And when I'm using the hand dryer on it, it's also easier for me to use because I just know where I'm going to dry, so it's just around the same area, so I don't have to like start drying one at the left and come to the right and start doing that, if you understand what I mean. And I'm using hand dryer. I work from home. I don't really have use the proper dryer, the standard dryer, if you understand what I'm talking about. But if you have a salon and you have that, that's a plus for you, because by tiling it like this and going into the dryer, it's very easy for the twist to easily dry quickly, if you understand what I'm trying to say. So it's easier for you to like dry it quickly if you're just going to wrap it like this and go into the dryer. But what I'm using right now is hand dryer to dry off all the wetness, and my clients really have an appointment to catch up with, so we just have to be very, very fast on it. She couldn't even wait. But at the end of the day, the coils comes out nice as well, because the hair is still, is still a bit wet, but it really comes out very, very nice. And then all I'm doing right now is just to lose the twist from the rollers, and the coins is what is very, very nice. It's very nice. It's very nice. You'll see the finished work of it. It's really look amazing, and my client loved the twist. She loves it a lot. I'll be dropping, she's also a YouTuber. I'll be dropping a link below, so you can go watch and go check her out and follow her as well. She's doing a great job. And guys, you can see how beautiful that is. By the time I finish it and I put them apart from each other, you know, it's gathering together now. By the time I separate it, put it apart, you see how defined the coils. It's really, really very beautiful. I went through YouTube. I was just doing my searching to see. I don't want to do what everybody is doing, so let me make it more detailed so that you guys can at least achieve something. Because I've seen a lot of people say even when they watch some YouTube video, they don't even understand what they are doing. They won't be able to do it because they've done a lot of editing, so they don't really show them much and more details about how they achieve whatever they achieve. So that's why I said, okay, let me take my time to really do this. And this is really, really very beautiful. If you don't skip any part of it, you see the end work, you see how beautiful it looks. It's really very nice. So guys, keep watching. So what I did after that, I just tried to dry it with my hand dryer, and voila, look at the coils. How beautiful that is. You see how beautiful it looks. It's very, very, very beautiful. I went through YouTube trying to see if I would see something similar, but no, I didn't get anything similar. And this is very detailed video, and I know you're going to love it. And if this has helped you in any way, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell for you to be notified whenever I upload a new video. And I hope you really like this video. If you want me to do any other video, you have any video in mind that you want me to do, please leave a comment in the comment section. I'm going to be dropping it down for you guys. And I hope this has really helped you. This braid is really, really, really very, very beautiful. If you think it has helped you, please leave a comment below in the comment section. And thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram. And that is my client rocking her hair. Can you see how beautiful she's looking? You see how beautiful she's looking. You see how that coil is very, very defined. It's so beautiful. I love it, and my clients love it as well. And please, thanks for watching, and I hope this has helped you. And if this has helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will see you on my next one. Bye bye.